So if you're running your targeting ads at the moment and you're not getting results, then it could be that you're either making one, two, or three mistakes I'm going to be showing you today in this video. Okay, so if you want to get better results for your retargeting ads, I need you to watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to be exposing 3 common mistakes that makes you lose so much money when running your retargeting campaign. Okay, so number 1 is checking the advantage custom audience. Now, this is an option that is being provided by Facebook to ensure that you can be able to reach more people than you have already selected in your custom audience. Now, in most cases, this might actually give you good results, that if you are actually running a general kind of ads, let's say you are just running a 5% discount for anybody who makes an order today, that kind of ads can just convert, basically because you're actually running the same kind of adverts but with just a discount. But if you are running a kind of advert where you are saying you have actually indicated interest in this type of product before, here is why you haven't, here is 3 reasons why you should get this product now, or something educative that you're actually writing out in form of ads copy to your target audience that have actually indicated interest previously in your product, and you want them at the moment to take action. You want them to pull the trigger right now and take action at the particular moment they are seeing your advert. Then you want to uncheck that box right now. Okay, so you need to uncheck the advantage custom audience right now. All right. Number 2 mistake that a lot of people do is that they go ahead to create different ad sets for different custom audience that they have created for their target audience. So let's say, for instance, somebody has created a custom audience for people who have engaged with the page, and also created a custom audience for people who have actually watched the video, maybe 10 seconds video or 3 seconds into the video, and has also created a custom audience for people who has visited the website, which is the landing page or the sales page for a particular product that he or she sells. Now, the mistake people do is they go ahead to create a different ad sets: 1 for the page engagement custom audience, 2 for the video views custom audience, 3 for the website custom audience. Now, generally, the target audience using any of these custom audience is usually small. And if you understand Facebook AI machine very well, you know that it flourishes well, or it works better with a larger audience. And all these audiences individually are usually not large. So what you need to do at the point of retargeting is you want to stack up these custom audiences together so that it can give you better results, so that you can get better performance from your retargeting ads. Number 3 common mistake that a lot of people do while running retargeting ads is that they go ahead to select the age range and also to select their targeting option. Okay, so take for instance, you're running an advert to a set of people, let's say a health product. You're running a health product to elderly people, maybe a blood pressure product, which is usually for people who are from maybe 50 and above. And because you're running a retargeting ads, you now decide that, oh, I should go and tone my age range, which is from your ad set. You should go and tone the age range from 50 to this particular age, or you just want to set it to a certain age range. No, you don't have to do that. What you want to do is, once you've selected the custom audiences for the website visitors, for the video views, for your page, and for if you have an email list, for the email list, and you've stacked all those custom audiences, what you want to go ahead to do is just let it flow. Allow Facebook algorithm, Facebook AI machine to learn how it can actually get the best result, because it already has the information it needs, and it's going to use the same information to get those target audience to see your adverts, and in the end indicate interest and get your product. You don't have to go ahead trying to box the AI machine into a certain age range or a certain target audience, target interest that you already have in mind. If you want to set your age range and you want to set your interest, what you should be doing is running a cold targeting campaign, not with a retargeting campaign, which is aimed at targeting a warm audience who have actually interacted with your page before, or have seen your video before, or have visited your website before, or they are on your email list, or have taken action before on your page, and they want to get these products now. So I hope you find this video valuable. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up and share this video to as many people who you feel might find this video valuable as you do right now. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right below this video and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a fresh video just like this one you're watching right away. And until I come your way next time, it's